was in October 2005, after my return from United States. After some days after my return from United States, I was attacked near my office, near office of Sunshine College, by some people. It was night time, so they put me in the car, and after some time, some other people from behind injected something here, and finally I was found myself in the basement of Tashkent Police Department. The goal was to promote the civil and political rights, to promote the rule of law, to fight the corruption, and start to promote this was democratic movement for promote democracy and freedom in Uzbekistan especially. Prison condition for political prisoners is very bad because the pressure start from the beginning, pressure and torture. The authority use torture for have the confession from the prisoners, from the arresting, and after sentence, after court, they're using the torture to suppress the people identity, and any kind of dissent. So it's very difficult for political prisoners especially. Many kind of torture. They beating, they using the gas, exhaust gases. They may put to very cold condition during the winter, for example. They put me for 5 days in the freezing temperature, me and other 3 prisoners. They opened the door, and behind in the outdoor was temperature minus 10 degrees Celsius, and for 5 days with no warm cloth, even no socks, and we just survived because of the movement. We all the time moved and do not sleep. This was my arrest.